Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. In this video, we will be covering the more about the market updates, the tech layoffs that has been happening, and will be giving you updates on the recessions. So many people have been asking in the DMs or in the LinkedIn, they have been approaching, or we have an Instagram channel wherein we have got these questions very frequently that when the recession is about to end, when will layoffs stop? So earlier people were having some dilemma that by 2023 the layoffs will stop, by 2024 we'll be having more job opportunities, right? And in 2024 again we are seeing some part of layoffs coming up again. So now whenever you get these new news, so no need to get nervous. We'll be sharing you more details in this particular video itself, that why you should not get nervous during this particular news or any such news related to layoffs, right? So let's deep dive into this particular topic today. And before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, then please do hit like, share, and subscribe our channel. Now, if you will see the analytics, or if you will see the scenario from the global point of view, so earlier the layoffs were happening when the hiring was huge, when people hired more than they required during the pandemic time, right? And in 2023 we already saw the layoffs got already completed, right? Because those number of overhiring that was done during the pandemic time, those number of people that were not required have already got laid off. Then there were few companies who were not getting that much of profit margin in terms of hardware departments. If you take an example of Amazon, they laid off the people from their company who were working in the Alexa department, who were working in the hardware department. Then you take an example of Google, they laid off company, sorry, they laid off people from their company who are working in the sales or who are working in the advertisement departments, right? So those kind of departments who are not making that much of profit, they got laid off, right? So if you are in some company or if you're looking for a job in some company, so you should do some analysis before you join that particular company. How many layoffs have happened and how are the layoffs happening these days, right? And see, I'm not telling you that the layoffs is going to get get removed from the IT industry. See, it's a part of the IT industry. In 2008 we saw layoffs happening. Recently in 2023 we have seen layoffs happening. So this is something that will be there in the IT industry. What needs to be done is you need to prove yourself, you need to be upgrade, you need to stay updated into the market, and you need to keep on giving interviews. Now when I'm saying giving interviews, it does not mean that you will get a chance, get an opportunity to give an interview in every company that you need. But when you get a chance for giving an interview, then you should be a best version of yourself. You should prove yourself at the best. So what we have done is we have recently launched our product that is related to mock interviews. So you can give mock interviews with us, and that is again a very nominal cost. So you can just book your calendar on TalkMeet with us, and we can connect with you. Generally I have kept the schedule for Saturdays and Sundays, that is on weekends, right? So if any of you are looking for giving mock interviews, and you can see it's a very nominal cost. The interviews would be taken at with respect to the company level. The questions would be covered with respect to what has been asked, what the people generally get in the companies, right? And you would get a full time kind of feedback as well, right? Which question you were able to answer, which question you were not able to answer, any scope of improvement was required in that particular question. So those particular things will also be covered in this particular mock interview. So don't forget to book your slot. We can connect on the mock interviews, and we can see how much is your preparation done, right? Now let's look at few of the thoughts that has been given by few of the leaders across the globe. So the CEO of the DHI group, that is Art Zeely, he is telling that he's believing that most of the layoffs have already happened in 2023, right? And now they are seeing a stabilization in the employee headcounts as well. Now they are seeing solidification of tech job postings. So earlier people used to post a lot of job opportunities in their companies, but they were not very sure that if they would be getting moved in some particular project or not. But now you are seeing that after having a lot of conversations, after having a lot of discussions with their customers, stakeholders, or their clients, then only the job postings are being done, right? So you will see some controlled job postings as of now, but slowly and gradually after March 2024, you would see a lot of job openings coming up. So this is what my thought process is. Maybe after March 2024, you would see a lot of jobs coming up in the IT market, right? And you will see a graph going, and you will see the things turning into a green color, right? And then we also have got some updates from Lee. So Lee is telling that still the companies are adjusting their budgets into 2024. So they'll see how much profitability, how much profit margin they will have, as during the pandemic they had done a lot of over hiring. So now they will believe that in 2024 they believe that they will have a proper estimation, proper headcount based on the new projects or based on new tasks, new assignments that are coming. So accordingly they can hire, right? So the positive news would be coming up very soon. And one more thing that I would like to highlight in this particular video is, don't spread negativity, right? Don't get depressed by looking all these news of layoffs. See, we have been creating videos on layoffs, we have been creating videos on recession. The idea is not to demotivate everyone, but it is to make them ready for the real situation when it will come. When the real situation will come, when there will be mass hiring, then you should be prepared, right? So accordingly we are giving the job updates, we are giving the market updates on every Sunday, with respect to recession, with respect to layoffs, right? Sometimes it do happens that people come and tell me that they are looking for a switch, they are not continuing with this testing course, as they are not getting a job into the software testing or in the manual testing or in the automation testing, right? So now they are looking to switch to a non-IT. So what I would say is, have some patience with you, give some time to yourself. And as now the job openings have recently, so if you will see, now you will see a lot of openings have already started coming for 4+, 5+ years of experience. So very soon we will have good news for freshers as well. Yesterday we got a good positive update from Birla Soft company, right? So things will get nourished, the good things are bound to come, right? You don't have to worry that you are not made for becoming an unemployed candidate on this world. There are many companies, there are many opportunities. It's just a matter of time, right? So don't worry, be positive. And the very important thing is, continue doing your preparation. You have to keep on revising, uh, keep on doing the revision of very important topics that are frequently asked in an interview, right? So we are covering mock interviews, we are covering career guidance, we are covering how to prepare for QA interviews in this kind of talkmate sessions itself, and those are created at a very nominal cost, such that any person who has been laid off or who is having some kind of any financial challenge can also pay this much amount of nominal amount and get a good professional advice from us, right? So that kind of programs have been created on talkmate. So you can also drop a query to us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. We can also help you with the career guidance, with a resume review. So those all things are being covered, right? So until and unless the job market fully opens, I'm not telling that it is not open, it is open for experienced candidates. You are seeing a lot of positions are already coming for experienced candidates, but still the time it fully opens, it means for fresher as well as for experienced, then you have to prepare yourself, you have to wait for that time, and you have to ensure that you are gaining good amount of knowledge in those particular aspects, right? So that's it for this video. This was a short video on till what time you can expect the recession. Again, it's something that we cannot tell you the future, but yes, we can expect that maybe after March 2024 you would be seeing more number of job openings, more number of off campus to be happening, right? And till that time you have to be ready and spread positivity. Don't get disappointed, don't spread negativity, right? Don't get disheartened. I know it's a human behavior, such kind of things do happen, but spread positivity and prepare yourself for automation testing, for you know API testing. Such kind of things will help you test automation with respect to Selenium and any programming language that you are comfortable with: Java, Python, C Sharp, .NET, and API testing using JMeter or Postman, whichever tool that you can learn. You have to fill your resume with all these skills, with all these tools, technologies, so that whenever the job market opens, you are able to grab that opportunity with both your hands, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates, and would be connecting with you very soon. Yeah, thank you.